Hey Busiafo, Misama Akwabeba Fufu TV. So business idea way, you know, me personally, I've not tested it, but it's on my bucket list. I have a whole list of businesses that I want to do. But of course, any tobacco for untuming every business. And so what I'll basically do from now on is say all the business ideas that I have, I'll just give a little gist in regards to it until you'll be now you see yourself investing in that business now, then you can go for it. I'll just give like a small overview and also give you an idea in regards to how you can make profits from it. And I'll just give a little summary. And see, if you are someone that is watching this and you really want to get into it now, I'll highly suggest that you speak with an expert, okay, a business advisor and now a financial advisor of ML tips. So please use this video as a general advice only. So this business is in regards to those that wants to set up like a gaming center. Okay, most cases will call it like an arcade center. Most people want to be entertained. Entertainment here one, because we are in a stressful world. There's a lot of stress around, and most times some people just want to escape. And this gaming centers, you know, is for all ages. Akola will have fun, Openyi will have fun, and you can make a lot of money. Okay, when it comes to the western side of the world now, this sort of game centers, you know, they are making a lot of money. Let me quickly show you one that is set up here in Australia that are killing it. Then after that, we look at how you can gain or you can make profit from this business idea. They have a lot of different varieties when it comes to the arcade machines, you know. Varieties in their dorsal and will be for all ages. Akola be to me, I then abobi. Openyi be to me, abobi. Youth be to me, abobi. Males, females, everyone. They had a lot of different varieties. Everyone with all ages, you know, can partake. And one thing I'm starting to see here, and it's it was like a one-stop shop. And yes, a game now, Baby Bonon Kwana will be Tian Sika. Opetoya will be Tian Sika. So my year, the place in such a way say is going to be very attractive to the kids, especially. Akoladi who be bia, I was sell papano and now mameno otomano. Yeah, into more little shop crowd on China, you can also make profits from it. Into even if the game, you know, you're not making profits from it now, other things on the side, you know, you'll be able to make profits from it. They even have a special section the birthday party. You can rent the place for few hours. Then pakrona then the birthday party. They also provide these services. And these are all things that you'll be able to add to your game center, no, to make it more attractive. Any occasions, kids love this sort of places. They book the place, they bring their cake, and now you can even provide the cake service, the deco service, the food service, and everything at your game center. And to Rebecca Sekwame, why am I suggesting this model to you guys? Okay, and of course I did a bit of a research. I've got few articles here. Say them kind, go and do your own research. But this is an article from the AfricaBusinessCommunities.com. I'm going to show this article somewhere in Feb. In Tushehana, Yeridi gaming sector revenues in Africa hits 1.8 billion in 2024 report. 1.8 billion. People are not looking into this. Yeah, show another one. This is by Semafor. Okay, semafor.com. Article where was written by a Nigerian reporter, our friend Alexander Onukweu. I hope I've pronounced it properly. Again, I'm going to release this article in Feb. African gaming revenues hits 1.8 billion in new record. Obahana, I'm not going to read everything. And I'll share now was summarizing in regards to the countries that they are doing really well. And the top markets by revenue generated from the African gamers in 2024. Egypt, 368 million. Nigeria, 300 million. South Africa, 278 million. Ghana, we are not on the list, but Ghana is also doing well. Sieba, even another website here, GIA Games Industry Africa. Again, Africa's gaming markets reach 1.8 billion. Everyone is talking about the exact same thing. You can come here. He's got the key findings and everything. I'll leave all these links in the description section below so you read for yourself. Yeah, but even mobile games are where escape.io. Wachro, West Africa's 260 million mobile gaming gold mine, the market nobody is talking about. Ayampa, nobody is talking about this. Only the rich people know. On my own research, they didn't know where to invest. No one is going to share this data with us. I just acquire Chumisi. Again, I'm going to leave this article. Just read for yourself. See about Ghana Krana. Joy Online wrote an article. I've been following this. I'm not sure this article some time back. Well, according to the study undertaken in September 2024, the growth of the gaming industry in Africa is reaching its new heights. Minridi Bibia by Yenshwet Ghana. Also the impact of iGaming scene. Ghana 4G game atum. Yeah, especially the youth. And I'm sure so most people have this PS4, PS5 and the rest. And Ghana 4 have legalized gaming. And see, it's read something here. iGaming has been legal and regulated with guidelines set by the Gaming Commission of Ghana. The iGaming industry as a whole has exploded over the last 15 years with a current growth rate of 6.46%, which will see the market hit over 133 billion by 2029. Into the effects on the gaming scene, again, you can come here and read into details. I'll leave all these links in the description section below. So the when it comes to the gaming center now, yeah, they are making a lot of money. Africa in a whole, Ghana not so much. This because most people haven't seen the opportunity. People are opening these arcade game centers. So if you're someone that is watching, you've got a bit of money, or you and your group of friends, you got a bit of money and you want to invest in something, you can look into this. I can go look for investors to invest in you, and you can take your time and do a bit of a research. In case you want to buy any of these arcade games, of course you can go on Alibaba. Arcade games machines. Voila. Yeah, and Alibaba got it. Well, games will do their doors, and you have to design your own game. You've already designed everything. You just have to buy, set up, and that's it. These are my few tips. One, you need a whole lot of investment. Yeah, because any business, you can say, you need to make it good. Yeah, and see, a lot of investment needs to go into this. Until you are thinking of getting into this now, your strength cannot now think so you can collaborate with someone and get this set up. Until one, you need a lot of money to get started with this. Secondly, about you setting it up now, you need a good location. Yeah, I will say location or a prime location needs to be very easy, accessible, and I will say for to me your location, and your location should also include like a car space that people will just come pack up their car and come and have fun at your gaming arcade center. And only really important. When it comes to the business operation, there are 5 things. There are now 5 departments that you basically need to set up. 1, your operations. Operations needs to be conk. 2, your marketing. Omo tasks and say your marketing. They are creating content and posting the content on your social media pages. 3, your sales. When it comes to any business now, you need a dedicated sales team. They'll be dealing with customers and making sure that people are coming and signing up. 4, finance. You need a finance team. Yeah, they need to make sure that everything in regards to your business, is making sense. Where the money is going, where the money is coming from, your taxes and everything is being paid off. And last but not the least, leadership. So leadership is where you mostly comes in. You need to have a focus on growth. Say in the next year, in the next 2027, and in the next 5 years, 10 years, where you want to see your business, where you want to see your gaming arcade center. Maybe you want to open a lot of branches in Accra, in Kumasi, or you want to go Ghana wide, or you want to go West African wide or African wide. Okay, and you need to have a goal, and leadership, is what is going to make this happen. And this is my bonus tip: automation. You have to look for ways to make the life of your customers, the life of your staff members Very, very easy. When you look at the one I took you guys through now, they'll give you a card. Okay, and this is basically a card. This card, no, ubeto sika edieguso. And if you want to spend maybe 100 Ghana cedis, you put 100 Ghana cedis on this tab. Every game bia could be an over tap it. Into every game bia, if it's 2 cedis, you tap, that is 2 cedis gone. And trust me, the kids, well, all they'll be doing is just tap, 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 and the money is going. They'll even give you a lanyard. Now, lanyard way crown, yeah, and also besato. Yeah, and these are ways you make a lot of money from every single thing in your gaming arcade center. You see, so this industry is booming. And I said, I'm a chairman. Yeah, if you are someone that is really smarter and you are interested in this area, please look into it, and I'm sure you make a lot of money. And that's all for today, guys. Of course, and then first time I will click on that subscribe button. So whenever we release any information on any business video on this channel now, yeah, you will not miss out. I'll see you guys in my next video. It's a bye for now.